Athens is the capital and largest city of Greece. In many ways, it is the birthplace of classical Greece and Western civilization. The design of the city marked by Ottoman, Byzantine and Roman civilizations. Athens is one of the world's oldest cities with its history over 3,400 years. Athens became the capital of Greece in 1834. Let's know some top attractions and best time to visit Athens. So please watch this video till the end. The Acropolis of Athens is an ancient citadel located on a rocky outcrop above the city of Athens. The site contains several ancient buildings of great historical and cultural significance, including the Parthenon, the Propylaea, the Erechtheion, and the Temple of Athena Nike. It was built in the 5th century BCE and is considered one of the greatest examples of classical Greek architecture. The Theatre of Dionysus is an ancient Greek theatre located at the foot of the Acropolis in Athens. It was built in 6th century BC and was dedicated to the god Dionysus, the patron of drama and wine. The Theatre of Dionysus was the birthplace of Greek tragedy. Many of the greatest plays of the ancient world were first performed at the Theatre of Dionysus. The Ancient Agora was the central public space in ancient Athens. It was served as a gathering place for citizens, a marketplace, a site for political discussion and debates, and the location of important civic buildings and temples. It was located at the base of the Acropolis and was surrounded by important buildings. The Temple of Olympian Zeus is an ancient Greek temple located in the center of Athens. It was dedicated to Zeus, the king of the gods in Greek mythology. Construction of the temple began in the 6th century BCE and completed in the 2nd century CE. The temple is now a popular tourist attraction and a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The Athena Nike Stadium is an ancient stadium located in Athens. It is the only stadium in the world built entirely of marble and is one of the oldest stadiums in the world, with a history dating back to the 4th century BC. The stadium was first built in the 4th century BC for the Parthenon Games, a major athletic and cultural event held every 4 years in honor of the goddess Athena. The best time to visit Athens is during the shoulder seasons of spring April to June and autumn September to November, when the weather is pleasant and the crowds are smaller. During these months, the temperature is mild and there is less humidity, making it an ideal time to explore the ancient ruins and museums. Please leave a comment about Athens and subscribe to channel to stay with us.